Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing good. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I make plantain porridge with smoked catfish that always gets my darling husband super excited about dinner. Join me, let's have some fun in the kitchen. I'll be using 4 medium-sized half-ripe plantains and 1 medium-sized unripe plantain. I'll also be using 2 medium-sized smoked catfish. Place the plantains peeled, cleaned, and cut into small sizes into the cooking pan. Add 1 cup chopped onions, pepper mix, half teaspoon everything mix seasoning, 1 teaspoon seasoning powder, 2 stock cubes, 1 teaspoon salt, 1.5 liter hot water, give it a little stir, then add 1/4 cup vegetable oil, cover and allow it to simmer for about 20 minutes. Let's check our porridge. It's looking good already and smelling good too. Now add about 1/4 cup of ground crayfish. Add the smoked catfish, cleaned, deboned, and cut into pieces. Cover and allow it to simmer for about another 6 to 8 minutes. Let the fish cook and the flavor will get into the dish. This is smelling amazing. I'm salivating already. Add about 1/4 cup washed and sliced Nchuanwu leaves. Now stir it very well. As you're stirring it, the leaves are getting cooked and the porridge is ready. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on post notification so you never miss a video whenever I upload. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this, or whenever you do, try it. There you have it. Yummy plantain porridge with smoked catfish. Another delicious meal from my kitchen to yours. Thank you for watching today. See you again soon. Bye.